Hello everyone. So for the day one of our gym, we're going for the abs. And the exercise that I'm doing right now is the dumbbell side bend. And we have to do it in 20 reps and in 3 sets. And for the next workout, we're gonna do the Russian twist. And this time it's 40 repetitions in 3 sets. And for the third workout, we're gonna do the cable crunch. And this time it's 12 reps in 3 sets. And for the fourth workout, we're gonna do the stretch crunch. And it's also in 12 reps in 3 sets. And next one is called the leg lift. And this time it's in 15 reps and 3 sets. And for the last workout, we're gonna do the flat crunch. And it's in 10 reps and 3 sets. And that's the end of our day one gym exercise. Thank you for watching.